Residents are also fed up and scared after another violent weekend in Cleveland. And city leaders say they are trying to get to the root of this problem. In fact, just hours ago, Cleveland City Council members declared gun violence a public health crisis. News 5 investigator Tara Morgan is live at City Hall for us tonight with this one. Tara, so how is this different than what we have heard before?
Look, Katie, the council president admits this isn't a new idea. They say that there's new leaders in place and new corporate sponsors who want to help out. Now, to give you an idea of what people are dealing with, one woman lost sleep Sunday when bullets were flying by her house. She describes it as surreal. Listen to what her Ring camera captured. She didn't want to share the video or show her face for an interview, fearful of retaliation. Police say a party was taking place at a home on Telford Avenue at a vacation rental.
Code 1 shot fired, 16412 Telford. Caller states that they are shooting at that location. Heard 50 shots. Steve, there's going to be a large house party in that area.
To find out that a bullet went into a house, like, you know, across the street, into the couch. So it's like houses were hit.
The shooting started just after midnight Sunday in the Lee Harvard neighborhood.
And then you could hear somebody was yelling, you know, she got hit.
Police later discovered a 17-year-old girl was brought to the hospital with a gunshot wound. Less than 24 hours earlier, a man in his 30s was shot on East 116th near Union. The weekend began with an 18-year-old shot and killed on Portage Avenue.
It is not just the people and the place or the underinvestment. It's calling out people to help be accountable for what the value of people and neighborhood means to them.
Peacemakers Alliance joined Cleveland council members in declaring gun violence a public health crisis.
There's no rules when you live in survival mode. So we need to be addressing the root causes of violence. We need to make sure we got all the resources necessary.
Council President Blaine Griffin says with the school year ending soon and warmer weather, we will see more violence and some conflicts spinning out of control throughout the summer.
We're not coming here with a new idea, a new program. We're trying to realign, redesign, repurpose, and refocus what we need to do.
The woman on Telford Avenue says neighbors are angry that not more is being done and demand accountability.
It's a problem. You know, the idea that you can't have an altercation. You know, this was a party. What happened at this party that shooting started?
Now that resolution will be introduced and voted on tonight. A second resolution will also be introduced declaring the first week of May Gun Violence Survivors Week. Live at City Hall, I'm News 5 investigator Tara Morgan.
Yeah, Tara, I remember at the end of last summer, the city marking a reduction in total violent crime, but saying at that time the work is not done. We know you'll keep an eye on it for us. Tara, thank you.